Alright.
Just do I have to hold anything, or is it already going?
It's already going.
Okay.
Let's see.
You can have it for you.
Let me grab that hammer so I can hold that. Yeah, it'll just record until it runs out of time.
Okay.
Or out of memory space.
Just trying to not get the light. Ah, come on.
That light sucks.
Yeah, it does. Okay, it's. Yeah.
There he is. You see him? Hey, little dude. Come on. You got a towel?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here.
I got a little bit of his. This camera's gonna be jerky a little bit.
Let's go, chicken toe. Come on, buddy.
I don't think. Ooh, is that the same kind?
It looks similar.
That's a. Yep, it is.
Come on.
They might be tame.
Come on.
He's probably very, very hungry. Ah, stupid.
Come on, buddy. Come here. Hey,
Jesus! Oh, the cat's gonna get it.
Shit! Hey, Boots, no. Boots, no. Come here.
Very, very lucky.
Come here. I know. Ow, you little fucker! Ow! Shit! You bit me.
Hang on. Just leave. Dave, back off. Just leave him alone for a second.
Ow!
Okay, little guy. Yeah, come on. You're cute.
Come here, dude. Yeah, I know. You don't like it. There you go.
This is a, what did we call that? A northwest flying squirrel. Very jumpy.
Bites very hard.
Very, very, they look like those little sugar gliders.
Yep.
Very. Was sort of tame.
That bird. That bird doesn't like it.
Yep.
Ah, what's that?
Yep, Angel's like, no, that's just a little too wild for me. Ow, what are you biting me for?
Oh shit, it's trying to escape.
Here, I got it. They're very nocturnal, so he's probably going to be a little freaked out right now. Boots right up.
Bit me.
Oh, dude, hold on. Look at the, I mean, look at the, I can see why they're flying squirrels. He's got great big huge sacks on the side of him.
I knew he was going to bite me if I...
Through the gloves, you can feel it?
Yeah.
Did he puncture him?
Well, no, almost, right there. Gotta...
Make sure you're not bleeding.
No, I'm not. He bit hard, but not not that hard. But it was scared me and probably scared him.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you just hit the button on the top there.
Brat, biting me.
Did she bite you?
Yeah. I think it's. I don't know
that's funny.